Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how I can log in as a root user, because some of the times we know that some permissions can be done via the root user, or you can check some of the installation via root user. So how I can log in as a root user? So this is the question, and let's solve it. So here let's first of all check who I am actually. So who am I? So it says Rajnikant. This is my username. Currently, I am logged in as my username Rajnikant, right? So let's enter as a root. So just you need to type sudo su, right? It will asking for the password. Then you can enter the password. So I'm logged in as a root user now. I can do the anything without any permissions. I can do, right? And if you want to add like, and I want to use sudo with the particular user, so you can type su and username, like suppose Rajnikant I want to use. So it will ask for the Rajnikant. Now I'll switch to the Rajnikant again. So this is how we can switch the user's name between it, and we can use the root user also. So this is the way that we can log in as a root and the simple user also. Okay, I hope you understand what exactly we have learned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.